We have more than 20 years' experience on steering and suspension parts for aftermarket. Developed more than 8,000 models, main products are ball joint, tie rod end, rack end, side rod Assy, control arm, idler arm, Pitman Arm, drag link, cross rod, arm shaft kit, stabilizer link, etc. Has exported to more than 100 countries in the world, especially in Europe and American countries. We have capacity of 400,000 pieces each month to satisfy the fast delivery. The factory relies on IATF 16949 quality management system, carries out quality control on product processing, and use the most advanced processing equipment to ensure that each component is safe and reliable through inspection. Adhering to the cooperation philosophy of integrity, innovation, altruism, and win-win, we keep on supplying car owners use super high cost-effective auto parts. At the same time, we aim at creating value for cooperative partners, provides employees with a platform for self-development, and brings sustainable investment to shareholders. We sincerely hope and reach win-win cooperation with you with our dedicated service. We are seeking the brand agent in every corner of the world. We are sure of that our brand and products will enlarge the market and bring more profit to you. Warmly welcomed if you plan to visit our factory. We will try our every best to serve you and to be your best partner.